Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best eyelash curler with a built-in comb, the Pinkiou Eyelash Curlers with Comb and Eyelash Separator Set. This professional lash curler is designed to elevate your daily makeup routine by giving you perfectly curled, separated lashes every time. Right from the start, what makes this curler stand out is its innovative built-in comb. Unlike traditional curlers, this comb smoothly separates your lashes as you curl, preventing any clumping or twisting. The result is lashes that appear fuller, thicker, and more defined, giving you a flawless and natural curl that lasts throughout the day. Durability is another strong point for the Pinkiou curler. Made from carbon steel, it's crafted to last longer than many stainless steel alternatives. The carbon steel material ensures the curler is both strong and lightweight, making it easy to handle without sacrificing sturdiness. It features a spring-loaded hinge, which is designed to apply the perfect amount of pressure on your lashes, preventing any damage or pinching while delivering consistent curling performance. One of the unique design touches on this curler is the ergonomic heart-shaped handle. This handle not only adds a charming aesthetic but also offers excellent grip and comfort. The anti-skid feature allows for precise control, making it easier to maneuver the curler even if you are new to using eyelash curlers. This thoughtful design reduces hand fatigue during use and makes curling a smooth and enjoyable experience. This eyelash curler is also incredibly versatile, accommodating all eye shapes and sizes. Whether you have deep-set eyes, monolids, or more prominent eye shapes, this curler adapts to fit your eyelid contour comfortably. It's the perfect tool to help you achieve that ideal curl, no matter your unique eye shape. The Pinkiou set is more than just the curler. It comes with a convenient eyelash comb and 5 replaceable silicone pads. These pads provide cushioning to protect your lashes while offering effective curling pressure. Being able to replace these pads means your curler can stay in prime condition for a long time, avoiding the common problem of worn-out pads that diminish curling effectiveness. All these components come beautifully packaged in an elegant printed box, making it an excellent gift choice for makeup lovers. The compact size of the curler and its accessories means it's easy to store and carry around, perfect for touch-ups on the go or travel. Using the Pinkiou Eyelash Curler is straightforward. Start by placing the curler at the base of your upper lashes. Gently squeeze and hold for a few seconds, then glide it upwards to create a natural-looking curl. The built-in comb will separate each lash as you curl, ensuring a clean and polished look. In summary, the Pinkiou Eyelash Curler with built-in comb combines professional-grade materials, innovative design, and ergonomic comfort to give you a reliable tool for stunning lashes. Its ability to separate lashes smoothly while delivering a long-lasting curl sets it apart from ordinary curlers. Whether you want to enhance your natural lashes or prepare them for mascara application, this curler makes the process effortless and effective. Thank you for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more detailed product insights, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video.